friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sour cream noodle bake. This is one of my family's favorite go-to meals. It's basically ground beef mixed with noodles, sour cream, a little bit of cottage cheese, and of course topped with cheese. So it's great for leftovers, a great weeknight meal. So let me get started and show you how it's done. The first thing I'm going to do is start with browning 1 pound of ground beef. I like to use the organic ground beef, but you could also use ground turkey or even ground chicken if you prefer. Next, you're going to want to drain the ground beef, get all that excess grease off, and then put it back in your skillet. Next, we're adding our seasonings. This is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then we're adding a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. We're going to stir this together and let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. You can turn it on low and let it simmer while you're cooking your noodles. Next, we're going to let our sauce simmer and we're going to get our egg noodles boiling, and then we're going to mix up our sour cream mixture. I'm adding my egg noodles to boiling water. I'm only going to use half the bag for this recipe, so we're going to boil it according to the package. Next, I'm mixing together a cup of cottage cheese, half a cup of sour cream, and then some black pepper. I'm going to dice up some green onions for the mixture. If you don't like green onions, you can leave this part out. So we're stirring this all together, and then we're going to add in our cooked noodles. We need to spray our casserole dish, and then we're going to layer half of the noodle mixture. And then half of the sauce mixture. And then half of the shredded cheese. We are going to repeat the layers one more time, so noodles, sauce, and cheese. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes. I hope you love this sour cream noodle bake as much as we do. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.